Okay, boys and girls, this is the tutorial for your sculpture, and we start making a ball with the tin foil paper. Okay, step one, we try to make a ball. Of course, if you need more tinfoil paper, you can take some more and add it to your ball. Use your hands to give your ball the shape of a human head. Use a long stick for the neck and shoulders, and then put more tinfoil paper. Don't worry if you trespass the head with a stick. There's no problem. Be sure to model the figure with your hands and give it human shape. Remember, how are our shoulders? Now it's time to start with clay. We use little balls and we make them flat. Then we put them on our figure. Please be sure that the clay is well applied. If there are wrinkles in your figure, we use water. We put our finger in the water and we rub the clay softly, as you are watching in this video. But please be careful and don't put a lot of water or you will ruin your clay. It is a very good idea to start completing the base of your figure. It will give your figure more weight and your figure will stand perfectly. But remember to use always small balls of clay, little piece by little piece. Don't put big quantities of clay. Okay, this is one of the key moments of your figure. Be very careful with the neck. Put the clay and press it. Be sure that you don't leave empty spaces behind your clay. And that's it. This is what you have to do next week in Art Nature.